Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to schedule and launch a live stream event in Wix. This is a powerful feature that allows you to plan and automate your live broadcasts, making it easier to engage with your audience at specific times without having to manually start the stream. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll find various management options. Click on Video Library. This is where all your video content lives, including both recorded videos and live stream events. From the options that appear in the Video Library section, select Live Stream. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can see the list of all the video live streams you've done in the past as well as any upcoming scheduled events. It's basically your command center for all live broadcasting activities. On this page, locate the Schedule Event button, which you'll find on the top right part of your screen. This is where you'll set up your new live stream event. From the live stream page that opens up, you'll need to enter all the important details of your live stream. Start by adding a scheduled date and time. This is crucial because this is what defines the launch date and time of your live stream. So, set it according to when you want your event to go live. Make sure you consider your audience's time zone and availability when choosing this. Next, add the essential information such as the title of your live stream, the publisher name, categories that best describe your content, relevant tags that will help with discoverability, and a detailed description of your live stream. These details help viewers understand what your event is about and whether they should tune in. The description is particularly important as it sets expectations and can include any special instructions or highlights viewers should know about. Once you've filled in all the basic information, scroll down to set your video pricing. Here you can decide if this is a paid stream or a free event. If you're monetizing your content, this is where you specify the price point. If it's free, simply select that option. This flexibility allows you to choose the best model for your content and audience. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, simply click on Save, and here's the best part. This live stream will automatically launch on your set schedule. You don't need to be there to press a button at the exact time. Wix handles the launch for you based on the date and time you specified, which makes managing multiple events much easier. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled your live stream event in Wix, and it will go live automatically at your chosen time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.